Hi, we're team number 2, and we're going to show you how to use an ATS site. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System, and this is basically like an all-in-one human resource software that automates the hiring process and makes it way easier for both the employer and the hopeful employee to go through the whole process and have like a more efficient communication, simpler. So yes.
Well, first of all, you're going to enter the website and clicking add new and a job. And you need a job title. And when you put like keywords, this is an example, you could have a suggested template or you could add your own information. So after all this, you publish it in wherever site you want. And finally, you got a job like this. And this is our job, like a marketing specialist for Tecnológico de Monterrey, with some of the responsibilities and activities to make, and the requirements that every company makes, like having a bachelor degree in something related, experience, knowledge as Photoshop, social media, etc.
Once the job description has been published, anyone can access it, maybe through a link or by being a part of the website. In this case, we're showing the example of accessing it through a link. Once you click the link, this is the page that you're going to see, and you're going to click on apply now if it is that you're interested on applying for the job. You have to first put your general information like your first and last name, as well as email address, phone, and there are several options that you can say that you can put like cover letter, but they are not required. One thing that it is required is the curriculum or resume, and on the bottom of the cover letter that you can add, you can actually attach any PDF or any document with all your experience and information so that it arrives to the person or the company that posted the job. Once you finish, you click submit, and now it's sent. Then you will get an email to the email you provided in your job application, where any following steps you will receive through that email.
Then we can see all the applicants and all the students or people that applied to the job. For example, here we have, I think, 8 candidates, and then you can click on the name and see their information, and then you start selecting whoever you prefer and whoever you would like to pass to the next step.
Here we see a application from one candidate. This is my application. As you can see, it contains the most information, the most important information. For example, like the cover letter, where you write a polite letter to the company and point out why you want to work there and what are your qualities. Yeah, and then as we move on to the CV, this is more personal and it highlights basically the whole way of education the applicant has made throughout the years, and where he collected personal experience, and as you can see, skills and activities. Yeah, and then you can determine if the candidate is very suitable according to his skills, or maybe if he misses something that is vital for this job.
So as we just mentioned, he's one of the selected candidates, so we just move on to the next stage. So we're moving to the first round interview. And then we're gonna write an email to him telling him when to schedule an interview and when will he be available.
over here, like, it's charging, but it's here. In the first round interview, now we have the 3 candidates we selected that we're waiting for them to have an interview, and we leave the other ones in the applied section. Like, these are our main candidates that we want to get to know more to choose the right one.
Yes, so that's basically it, and the whole process from the start of posting the vacant position to the stage where you have the first interview where you confirm it with your possible employees. And just like to finish off, I think it's important to point out that this is very beneficial because this process saves time for both the parties involved, which in turn will save the company a lot of money as well because everything is getting standardized. And as you can see, it's very simple to use. So yes, thank you.